Hello everyone, this is Vincent Wynn with SlashGear. Welcome to another unboxing episode. I just got in the Nokia N800 portable internet tablet, so let's get to it. Got a little note. Here's the device. We'll walk through it in detail in our first look after this video. Memory card. Headphones. Extra stylus. Ooh, this is actually a USB cable. This is very new for Nokia. Charger, a very nice pouch, and instruction manuals. Thank you very much for joining me in this unboxing ceremony, and make sure you come back for the first look. Thanks.